Most mouse and keyboard issues with Lenovo ThinkPad docks are software-related, affecting 80% of cases. Start by unplugging and replugging the USB devices and the dock itself to reset the connection. Next, test different USB ports on the dock and directly on your ThinkPad to isolate if it's a port-specific problem. If those don't work, the issue likely involves outdated drivers or power delivery problems, especially after Windows updates that can cause compatibility conflicts. Hardware failures like faulty ports are less common but possible if all else fails. The primary solution is updating your dock's drivers and firmware. Start by downloading and installing Lenovo Vantage from the Microsoft Store. Use Lenovo Vantage for automated updates. Look for the Lenovo USB-C dock driver package version 1.8.2 or later, and firmware updates like version 2.5.1 for ThinkPad USB-C dock Gen 2. If Vantage doesn't work, manually update drivers via Device Manager or Lenovo's support website. Finally, ensure your dock's power adapter is adequate, especially if using high-power USB devices. These steps resolve most issues.